you ever come across those calming Ghibli-style animations and wondered how people create them? In today's video, I'll walk you through how to make your very own Ghibli-style AI video with ChatGPT and Edimakor. Let's dive in. Step 1. Get the prompts first. Open ChatGPT and paste the first prompt I've included in the description into the chat box, then hit enter. ChatGPT will instantly come up with several creative theme ideas for you to explore. Then, return to your document and copy prompt 2. Go back to ChatGPT, select one of the themes you prefer, paste the prompt into the chat box, and press enter. ChatGPT will automatically create image prompts and image-to-video motion guidance for each scene. Step 2. Create the images. Now, let's switch to Edimakor. If you haven't downloaded Edimakor yet, you can find the official download link in the description below. After launching Edimakor, click New Project, then navigate to AI Image, Image Generator, Text to Image. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Google Nano Banana Pro model to generate all of the images. Begin by copying the first image prompt and pasting it into the prompt box. Next, select your desired resolution and aspect ratio, then click Generate. After a brief moment, your first image will be generated. For the next scene, we'll use the previous image as a reference to help keep the characters and overall visual style consistent. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second scene, and follow the same steps to create the next image. To achieve better character consistency throughout the video, remember to use the previous frame as a reference image each time you generate a new scene. Step 3. Generate the videos. Once your images are complete, it's time to transform them into video clips. Locate the first image you created, right-click on it, and choose Image to Video. For this tutorial, I'll be using the Cdance 2 model to create all of the video clips. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the Image to Video motion prompt. Paste it into the prompt box, set the duration and aspect ratio, and then click Generate. Your first video clip will be generated shortly. Continue following the same steps for the remaining scenes until you've converted all of your images into video clips. Step 4. Arrange and edit the video now. Bring all of your video clips onto the timeline and place them in the proper sequence. To make the transitions feel smoother, you can apply some transitions between the clips and set its duration to 0.5 seconds. Then click Export to save your completed video. At this point, you've successfully created a complete Ghibli-style AI animation. That's the entire process. Now download Edimakor and start creating your own Ghibli-style AI videos.